The Swiss Banking Digital Finance Day was a huge success. I'm really glad that we were able to bring together such a broad range of speakers to talk about digital finance. Digital finance is a very complex and interdisciplinary topic. So that's why we also were able to discuss it from a strategic perspective, from a technological perspective, but also from a regulatory compliance perspective.
Something that I would like to highlight is how complex the topic around the education of our consumers is, of our population is. At the end, this technology is targeting everyone, and part of the populations are able to educate themselves maybe, or to get educated. They have access to this type of resources. However, maybe the majority of the population doesn't have these opportunities. And this is something that I'm taking with me, and definitely I'm gonna reflect about it.
My personal highlight was the positive solution-oriented atmosphere that you could basically feel, almost touch, of what I call the magic triangle, which is regulators, bankers and technology provider. And I'm sure if we collaborate really on the topics that are currently very important for the industry, will allow us to stay competitive, not only as an industry, but also as a country in the long run.
I really profited from today, learning about quantum computing, where we stand there, blockchain, AI, but also the regulatory side of it and where competitors stand. This really helps me to know we're going into the right direction, but also knowing what we have to look out for, looking into the global direction where we stand. And I will immensely profit from this, and I'm looking forward to next year and hopefully be still part of this interesting journey.